Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we compare the best of the best so you can buy smart and live smarter. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a jalapeno in the middle of a heat wave. On the left, we have the Ruko U11S, the FAA-compliant flying wonder for beginners. And on the right, we have the Fokjunk brushless motor drone, the budget-friendly beast with a need for speed. Let's dive in and see which one of these bad boys deserves your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk price. The Ruko U11S will set you back a cool $283. It's like buying a ticket to the drone VIP section. Meanwhile, the Fokjunk comes in at a wallet-friendly $119. That's so cheap, you might still have enough left over to buy a pizza. Or, another Fokjunk. So if you're on a budget, Fokjunk is your go-to. But remember folks, you get what you pay for. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff. Camera quality. The Ruko U11S boasts a 90 degrees adjustable 4K UHD camera. That's right, 4K. So if you're into capturing every single pore on your dog's face, this is your drone. On the flip side, the Fokjunk offers a 1080p UHD camera with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. It's like comparing a steak dinner to a hot dog. Both are good, but one is clearly a bit fancier. If you're all about that ultra-high definition life, Ruko U11S takes the cake. Let's talk about how long these birds can stay in the sky. The Ruko U11S comes with an intelligent battery that gives you a max flight time of 20 minutes. But wait, there's more. It includes an extra battery, doubling your flight time to 40 minutes. You can basically film an entire mini-movie with that. Meanwhile, Fokjunk is a bit shy about its flight time, but with its brushless motor, you can expect a decent run. So if you're planning on some serious sky time, Ruko U11S is your wingman. Alright, ease of use. The Ruko U11S is marketed as the ideal choice for beginners. It's got one key functions and a transmitter that charges directly. Even your grandma could probably fly this thing. Fokjunk, on the other hand, comes with a bunch of intelligent flight features like one-key takeoff, landing, headless mode, and altitude hold. It's like a Swiss Army knife of drones. Both are beginner-friendly, but Ruko U11S is like the training wheels of drones. Special features time. Ruko U11S has optical flow positioning for indoor flights and GPS positioning for outdoor flights. It's like the James Bond of drones, super versatile. Fokjunk comes with level 4 wind resistance and a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour. It's basically the Usain Bolt of drones. Plus, it has 3D flips and gesture control. If you want to impress your friends or record your TikTok dance from the air, Fokjunk has you covered. Looking at the reviews, Ruko U11S is praised for its ease of use, strong build, and impressive camera quality. Users have highlighted its stability in windy conditions and its suitability for both beginners and experienced flyers. On the other hand, Fokjunk brushless motor drone is commended for its affordability, smooth flight, and decent performance, though some users have faced issues with the drone flying away or app connectivity problems. However, the company's customer service has been noted as exceptional in resolving issues. So there you have it, folks. The Ruko U11S is your high-end, feature-packed flying machine, perfect for beginners who want to get serious about their drone game. On the other hand, Fakjank is your budget-friendly speed demon that's packed with fun features for those who want to dip their toes into the drone world without breaking the bank. Which one will you go for? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. And remember, fly smart, buy smart. Catch you next time. Product links are in the description.